Hey guys, I'm Raghuram Balaji from CCHS. Today we are going to see a game played between machine and man. Yes, a computer Fritz 6 against Vishy Anand in 1999 rapid match. Let's start. Fritz started with e4, Anand replied e5, knight to f3, knight c6, d4, the Scotch opening. Anand replied e into d4. Here the main line is knight into d4. Instead of knight into d4, Fritz played bishop to c4. Black played bishop c5, c3. Knight to f6. Instead of knight to f6, if black takes d into c3, which is not a good move, white will replay bishop into f7 check, king into f7, q into d5 check, king to f8, q into c5 check, d6, and q into c3, and clearly white is better and black has lost his castle and position is not good for black. So after c3, black has to continue knight f6. C into d4. Instead of c into d4, white is also having other options like e5. Black has to replay d5, bishop to b5, knight to e4, c into d4, and bishop b6. Position is completely equal for both sides. So after knight f6, Fritz played c into d4, bishop to b4 check, knight to c3, knight into e4. Castles. Instead of castles, if white tries q on e2, black can simply replay d5 and black is clearly better. So after knight into e4, white should go for castle. Here black has two choices, knight into c3 and bishop into c3. Anand went for bishop into c3, which is more solid. d5. Instead of d5, if white tries b into c3, black can simply replay d5 and position is solid and completely okay for black. So after bishop into c3, in the actual game, Fritz played d5, knight to e5, b into c3, knight into c4, q and d4. You can see clearly two knights and g7 pawn is get attacked. So after q and d4, Anand played castle, q into e4, knight to d6, q into d3, b6, with the idea of bringing the bishop to b7 or in some cases bishop a6. White replayed bishop a3 with the idea of bishop into d6, c into d6, giving a black a bad pawn structure. So after bishop a3, Anand replayed q on f6, q on d4, q into d4, knight into d4, bishop to b7, threatening to win the pawn on d5, bishop into d6, c into d6, knight f5, g6, knight into d6, bishop into d5, rf e1 with the idea of bringing rook to e7. So Anand played bishop e6, trying to block the e line. White replayed f4, a6 with the idea of bringing rook to a7, followed by rook c7, and black can target the c3 pawn, and also black can also hit the knight d6 with rook c6. So after a6, computer replayed a4, rook to a7, re b1, threatening to win the pawn on b6. So Anand replayed rook b8, a5, b5, c4, b4, rook to a4, pressuring the b4 pawn. Anand replayed b3, rook to a3, rook c7, ra into b3, rook into b3, rook into b3. Here Anand played rook c5. Instead of rook c5, if black takes bishop into c4, which is a blunder. Yes, white can continue rook b8 check, king to g7, and knight e8, winning the rook. So after rook into b3, it's not possible to take bishop into c4. So Anand replayed rook c5, pressuring the a5 pawn. So computer replayed knight b7, rook into c4, rook b6, rook c2, knight to d6. Instead of knight to d6, if white takes rook into a6, black can continue bishop d5 with a double attack on g2 and b7. Knight to d6, rook into g2 check, king to f1, and rook in h2, clear winning for black. So after rook c2, computer replayed knight d6, king to f8, bringing the king, rook into a6, bishop to d5, threatening to win the pawn on g2. So computer replayed g3, rook g2 check. King f1 is the only move. If white plays king h1 and just mate into, yes, rook into g3 check, knight to e4, and bishop into e4, checkmate. So after rook g2 check, it's not possible to play king h1 to defend the pawn. So king f1, rook into h2, rook a7, bishop to c6, knight to c8, rook g2, knight b6, rook into g3, knight into d7 check, bishop takes d7, rook into d7, rook a3, rook to a7, rook f3 check, the double attack, king g2, rook into f4, a6, rook to a4, rook a8 check, king to g7, king h2, h5. Here computer resigned the game and it's clearly winning for black. Black is having 3 pawns on the king side, and white is having the pass pawn on a6, but it's not possible to create the promotion, so it's clear winning. Hope you guys enjoyed the game. Like and share the video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'm signing off. Bye and love you all.